Good morning, everybody. We're going live very early this morning. We're going live very early. Hey, Neil. Good morning. Kind of curious how many people are awake right now. Hey, Maddie. Good morning. Good morning. Kind of an impromptu early stream this morning. Hell yeah. This is when you have to trade before work. Yep. I bet a lot of people actually do. It's actually, I've found that there's some pretty good price action from 8 o'clock to 9:30. There's usually some nice price action. Sometimes better than in the normal trading session. Mm. Hey, Spare. Hey. Yep, I'm up early this morning. The reason I am is I have a meeting at 9:30 that's probably going to last an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So I thought, you know what? I saw some pretty good price action here this morning, and I decided, you know what? Let's just stream before 9:30, and then we'll stream again after. So that's the plan. Hey, good morning, Jen. Good morning. 3 a.m. Eastern time as well. Yep, that's the excuse me, the London session. I need to go get me some coffee. Mm. All right. Yeah, I see that Fed member Harker speaks. Shouldn't be anything too newsworthy. Hey, Prof Trader. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, Indie Scalper. Good morning. Pretty big sell off last night. Wow. We opened, we right at the end of the day, we had a nice move up, closed kind of closed at the highs. And then we opened the 490s and we just sold off. Sold off 150 points. Feels like we're getting better movement, better price action in the overnight sessions than we are during the day. Maybe I need to just start streaming I need to start streaming like at 10 o'clock at night. Hey, good morning, Albert. Good morning. Hey, trader from Slovenia and Sergio. Good morning. Have you done a withdrawal from UProfit yet? I have not. Nope, I have not. You're about to submit your first one today? That's awesome. How long it takes? Yeah, I don't know. I would, I always don't, I would not recommend trading if you're in the middle of a withdrawal. I would not recommend that. And we're pulling back here. Again, just testing my same plan today. We're just testing the strategy. A little bit of a different, have this kind of indicator, kind of like our trend, kind of a trend indicator in a sense. That I'm just kind of, I'm still just testing this. Stucking along. Hey, design. Yes, we are up early this morning. Which reminds me, my coffee's ready. I need a coffee bad. Coffee and a nutty bar. Oh. All right, we're back. Hold it. Sorry about that. Had a distraction. Hey, design. Good morning. I think I might have already said that. Wow. We had a big sell off again. Was this because of the news? Okay, we're in a zone here. Price needs to get above this zone and then come back and retest it with a trapped order. Then we're long. Currently, I'm this is kind of a testing. That's one thing with testing strategies. We tweak things as we go. One thing I'm doing is only trading with the trend. I'm trading with the short term, basically the short term momentum, short term trend. Hey, Mickey Man, you're new here? Hey, well, thanks for tuning in. We like hanging out in here and just chilling. Hey, good morning, Esther. I missed you yesterday. I don't remember seeing you. I am early today. We are going to stream early today because at 9:30 I have a pretty this is actually a very important conference call at 9:30. Our biggest client that we have, and we are basically going to get the information that if we received probably, what is it, over $4 million bid. So pretty important conference call this morning. I do not want to miss. Hey, UK futures trader, how we doing? Good morning. Trying to think, what time is it in the UK right now? Let me think. What is it? Probably like 11 o'clock? Is it 11:20 right now? That's just a guess. Prop trader. Look at that. That's the best breakfast a man can have, a nutty bar with coffee. If anyone has a problem with that, I'll fight him. Oh wow, I was way off. I was off by 2 hours. Oh, okay. Makes sense, Esther. Makes sense. Man, what a bounce off this 320 level. Big bounce. Okay, breakfast complete. Yeah, Esther, I'm kind of sizing up quite a bit. But for this strategy to work, I have to trade 4 contracts. So it is what it is. We might blow through some 150K accounts here, but thankfully 90% off. It's for testing purposes. It's for science. I got approval from the wife. If it's for science, I can buy eval accounts if they're 90% off. Just noticed the code. Oh yeah, UK futures trader. You were my inspiration to get a custom code, by the way. I'm kind of curious, UK futures trader, were you... Have you tried changing, was that a Nutty Bar for breakfast? Exactly, Ace Bear. Exactly. Why wouldn't it be? Nutty Bar for breakfast with coffee? I mean, name a better duo. You won't, because there is none. It's the best duo in all of history. UK futures trader. So, did you request to have a custom code? And the reason I ask is, so I had asked to do a custom code like 2 months ago. I requested it like 2 different times. And they told me, nope, it's not possible. You can't do custom codes anymore. So I'm like, really? So I'm like, okay, fine. I guess I'll believe it. Then one day I tune in. I think I was looking at your recap videos, actually. And I noticed that you have a custom code. And it was just recent. So I'm like, So I reach out to him again, and then all of a sudden they were like, yeah, no problem. We can get you to, no problem. We can get you a custom code. So I don't know, like, okay, so you just kept asking as well? Okay, that's what I was curious. Curious if you just kept asking or if that was the first time you asked and they just... I wonder if they have like a cap, like you have to have so much affiliate earnings or you have to have so many... You have to have an affiliate, have been affiliates for so long. Like, is there I don't know. Obviously, it's possible. I mean, we know that now. But I wish I would have made my code. I maybe should have just made it Nutty Bar instead of the 80, because the 80, I think, confuses some people. Because they look at it and like, wait, what's the 80 for? But yep, we are streaming early this morning. We're streaming early because we have to end the stream at 9:30. Nutty 69. Design with always, you always have the best ideas. Or what, Nutty 420? Not that I do that. Hey, Wendell, good morning. Yeah, that's what I always just say, whatever code you have, it will always get you the best discount. But yeah, I had a couple of people ask too, like where they're the 90% discount. So they're like, oh, I don't want to use this code because it's only going to give me 80% off. It's not how it works. But I think most people understand. I don't want to I don't want to ask support to change my code again. I've irritated them enough the way it is. There's one person in the Apex support that he doesn't really like me. He does not like me. Well, we're seeing a pretty nice bounce here. Pretty crazy. Hey, Nutty 007 would be cool too. Hmm. Well, right now I'm just hoping we come down and test this zone again. Ooh, pulling back pulling back a little bit. Yeah, I have traded ES. I'm actually testing. So I have ES open now, and I am actually testing ES as a as on this strategy too. Did some back testing last night. Actually, was pretty viable. So feel like I definitely need to look into trading ES with this. So I have my zones set up for ES, kind of where I'm looking for entries, pretty much how I will, I guess, look at it. I used to trade ES a lot. Then I switched to NQ and have just kind of been hooked ever since. Problem with ES is just, man, it seems like it just doesn't move. It doesn't move, but if it goes against you, then it's like, wow, this thing moves really crazy. Maybe that's just me. So I'm definitely looking at ES as well. Kind of, I'm not sure how I'm going to do it because it's kind of difficult to trade ES and NQ. I can't do both. I only did 1 week of back testing on ES. I didn't have time to do any more last night, but last week back testing ES would have been really I think on my results were 64% win rate on this ATM strategy. The four contracts would have had over 10,000 in profit with that strategy, with that ATM setup. But You all know how that goes. Yeah, they're used to the point difference and the movement. It's just, that's the biggest thing. Getting used to the movement from NQ to ES is just a whole different ball game. ES is more of a sensible. I would consider it more sensible. Um, and NQ is like the crazy girlfriend. Is always how I say. NQ is the crazy girlfriend that very erratic, can be fun, but can also be very troublesome. Can create a little bit more drama than what might be worth. Hey, take care, Yuki. If you say thanks for stopping in, appreciate it, and best of luck to you today. Best of luck. Hey, good morning, Op Man. Good morning. That's right. We are the early bird this morning. Dennis Kim, good morning. I was actually thinking about it. Maybe I need to start streaming normal like this time more often because I think, I mean, in the last 2 weeks, the after hour pre-market, we've had some nice moves. We've had some nice moves for sure. Yeah, you like that, Esther, on NQ. Feel like that's usually the case. But yeah, if you're just tuning in, I can only stream till probably like 9:25. Then we have to shut down the stream, and I'm going to be on a conference call for probably an hour, maybe a little bit more. And as soon as that's over, we'll start upstream again. Yeah, Dennis, I mean, that can happen too. Yeah. All right, let's see if we break above this kind of 372 area here. I was hoping I could get a setup here. I was hoping this would pull back into this zone and we could potentially be looking at a setup. Also, this is a little bit different. This at the bottom here is basically like a short-term momentum, short-term trend indicator where I'm trying to I think I need to look at only trading with the trend. Trading against the trend is just too much. It's my personality is like it goes against it. And B, I'm not sure I have the patience for it in reality, because for that to trade against a trend, you have to have some really big winners to make up for a lot of losses. So, which requires, to hold with, 50 points, 100-point moves. And in reality, I'm just not sure. I'm not sure that's me right now. So I'm going to just look to trade with the trend on this setup, because currently, for the most part, it's way more consistent, way more profitable if we're trading with the trend. Basically, what we're looking for this to do is kind of like in this instance, where it will come up, it'll go through my support and resistance, and then it'll come back down, touch it, and then keep going. Like that's kind of what what it looks like on a good setup. So we shall monitor, we shall try it. But basically, as long as so there's a yellow line here, that's kind of important. If the red is above that yellow line, then I don't want to take long trades. If the green is above that yellow line, I don't want to take short trades. That's kind of the gist of it. Mm. Hang on 1 second. I need to talk to the wife. All right, we're back. Crazy. It's this is why I usually don't stream in the morning. uh the kids are getting up. All right. Hey, Noble One. Yes, market opens 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. So basically 40 minutes. 40 minutes from now. What my PC specs? Hang on. Sorry, was I muted? I'm not quite sure if I was muted for that. But I have the i9 13 here. Well, you can't really see. 13900K i9 processor, 64 gigabytes of RAM. I think it might have been muted when I said that the first time. And the 4090 graphics card. Hey, good morning, JX. Man, I was really hoping I'd get a setup this morning. Now, not looking like I will. But oh well. Let's. Yes. ES. Maybe we'll take an ES trade this morning. We actually would have had an entry right here at 808. No, actually, no, I'm not sure. Right here. Oh, JX. Yeah, I know the pain. Summaries for beaches and cock. Summer trading can be choppy. That's what I would say. Usually it's pretty choppy. Hey, Anonymous Futures Trader, good morning. Good morning. No, nose. Sabudo. Oh, sorry, man. That does suck. Just it's not the end of the world. I know it seems terrible at the moment, but keep it in perspective. Learn from it. Whatever mistakes were made, learn from it. That's all we can do. Learn from it and move on. It happens. It happens to everyone. You survive in the end. Hey, Marco, good morning. Morning, Paul Reed. Can you do a little better today? You don't want to regret hitting the like button. Hey, I can only do what I can only follow my rules. Okay, that's all we can do. That's my only job today. It's my only job is to just follow the plan. Okay. What is the plan? You're trying a new strategy, Thumper? Same. Good luck. Good luck. That's awesome. What kind of mouse I have? A G502 Lightspeed. I don't know. Does that answer your... Keep pulling back here. Is there big news today? August 8th. I don't think so. No news today that it's... I don't think so. Hmm. Wholesale news at 10. Yeah, but I don't think that's going to move much. Not much happening, I don't think, and as far as that. Hey, Bartholomew. Good morning. Hmm. Okay, pulling back here. Hoping we'll pull back into this zone. Maybe we can get an entry here. Oh, your headphones died. You're all good. Well, wow. Well, just so far, not much to do here. Very curious what we do here today. Really wish I could be here for the open. Feel like we're going to have some pretty crazy action here at the open. We got. It could go either way. We could see this thing rip higher. We could see it just completely sell off. If we look at the daily, just consolidating the last kind of 2 days, not much happening. So if this breaks below the 300s, like the 320s, this breaks below this, then we could see a pullback, pretty significant pullback. But we could also see this thing try and rip higher. It usually likes doing it. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, if we look at the daily, it's definitely it could be, but like I said, as long as we hold this 340, 320 area, as long as we hold that, I think the bulls are fine. But if we lose that, look out. Look out. I think we could pull back to the 480s. Not in one, or the 14800s. I don't, not in one day, but I don't know what's happening. I never said it did. And we're pulling back again. What time is it? 9:14. I can probably stream till like 9:20. 9:20, I'm going to have to end stream, and I might not be back until, oh man, it could be, I'm just not sure how long it's going to take. It could be after lunch until I'm back. It it depends a lot on what kind of news we get at the call. You paid for today's stream. Oh man. Feel like lately I have not been able to stream, like I haven't been able to stream as consistently as I like to. But that's one of the things. I mean, it is what it is. I thought about trying to let the stream run, but I can't really do that because I'm doing a conference call with, like, through Zoom. So I almost have to end the stream or I'm going to have internet issues. Hey, I am what I am. Good morning. Metals got hammered overnight. True. I mean, everything got hammered overnight. Everything. It's a bloodbath. Yes, I'll be coming back later. As soon as I'm done with the conference call and everything is, work related is wrapped up, because we have a conference call, and then right after that, we have a conference call with a big client. Right after that, we have a conference call just with all the executives, and then just for us. And then after that, then I'll be streaming, which I don't know how long it's going to take. Depending what news we find out on the conference call, um, yeah, it could be till after lunch. It could be. Hey, good morning, Noah Parks. Good morning. Yeah, that's true design. Yep, that's true. Man, this is a nice. We're seeing a nice bounce here into the open. Which, what is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? Yeah, the 400s. That's always a very key level. We get above the 420s, 430s. We could see this try to gap fill. We could see that gap fill would be, basically the 490s. Hmm. Okay, what are we doing at the open? All right, man, I hate doing this, but we're gonna have to end the stream here very shortly. If you're just tuning in, I have a conference call at 9:30 and another call after that. It could go till after lunch before I'm back. Just FYI. But we'll be back. We'll be back today. It's just going to be a little bit later, and then we'll be streaming into the close like normal. Hopefully I don't miss a lot of setups, but we probably will. It just is what it is. I wish I could, Anonymous Futures Trader. I wish I could just keep the stream going for the chat. Then you guys could just chill. But it's a Zoom call, and I only have so much internet available. And if I have the stream open, plus do a Zoom call for the conference call, it's going to cause issues on both sides. So unfortunately, I have to end it. Unfortunately, this is where it would be nice to have a Discord or something, but I don't know. Thank you, Brett C. It is a very important, it's the most important meeting. I can say this without any, this is the most important meeting that we've had with a client since I've owned the business. That's how important this meeting is. So very, very curious how the meeting's going to go. We have a meeting with a $2 billion client. Billions. So it should be interesting. What time is the call? 9:30. 9:30. Thank you, Patient Trader. I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm kind of nervous. Hang on. Okay. All right, it's time. Sorry, guys. Gotta end it. We are going to have to end it here. We will be back in Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Matterman, and I am what I am. We will be back around noon. I'm going to guess around noon. So hopefully everyone trade well. Good luck. And I hope you all make tons of money while I'm on this call. So, all right.